Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. For today's video, I'm back with another stock talk video. And for today's stock talk video, we're going to be talking about two different stocks. Now, these two stocks are both leveraged ETFs, and you're able to trade these whether the market is bearish or bullish. If you haven't already, follow me on my TikTok at Lock Finance. I'll leave in the description below, as well as my completely free Discord where you can learn how to trade in the stock market. I'll leave that in the description as well. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. So let's just jump right into this, okay? So we're going to be talking about two stocks that you're able to trade with. The first one is UVXY. It's a leveraged ETF where if the market is red or looks bearish on the day, UVXY trends upward. And its inverse pair, SVXY, follows the market. It's also a leveraged ETF and follows the actual market. So if the market is red, SVXY is red. If the market is green, then SVXY is green. But as you can see here, SVXY is downtrending. So if SVXY is downtrending, then we head over to UVXY, which is going to be uptrending. And as you can see here, on the same exact day, UVXY is uptrending. And vice versa. If UVXY was downtrending for today, we would switch over to SVXY, which would be uptrending. Now, just to recap, you play UVXY if the market is red or bearish, and you play SVXY if the market is green or bullish. We're switching back right here to UVXY, and as you could see here the other day, it was looking very strong. The market more recently has been red, as you know, so UVXY has been giving us better trading opportunities. Now, let's walk through what we would do to trade. So, we know that the market has been red the past couple days, so we had this on our watch list. And again, how we trade is we wait for that confirmation break along with many other factors, but first things first, we're going to look for that confirmation break of a green candle. If we know the market is downtrending and we see that towards market open, as you can see here, it looked a little flat towards market open, but as we got through the morning around 11:30, it looks like the market started to turn more red than green. So we switch over to this UVXY, which goes up when the market goes down, and we enter in a position around this candle right here. Now, we enter in this candle because it's the first green candle that closed above our blue SMA line. And we ride up along with our price action all the way up until we get validated out, which is this red candle right here. It's the first red candle that closes below the blue SMA line, and the next one opens red and below, so therefore we're out of our position. This would have gave you roughly a 9% trade right here, just alone on just trading the overall market. So if you know how the market's trading, and you could look at many different websites to figure out whether it's uptrending or downtrending in the day, you can use this stock right here to trade what the overall market is trading. And as you can see here, the market was down, so we traded UVXY, and we got this 9% run, which turned out beautifully. Now, if you look at the same exact time frame, but on the stock SVXY, which remember is its inverse pair, so this stock we're looking at is SVXY, which goes up when the market goes up and goes down when the market goes down. So it follows the market. And around that 11:30 time frame, like we saw in the other chart, how it started to uptrend, this shows it starting to downtrend as we're trading below this blue SMA line. Okay, so now we're back to UVXY, which remember, if the stock market looks bearish or red on the day, this stock goes up. And as you can see here, we were a little choppy for a little while before we started getting some momentum, which means the market looks to be turning red for the day. And because of that, we would enter in this first green candle right here, which is clearly the first green candle above this blue SMA line. And we would enter in a position around right here, and we would keep riding up each one of these candles because we're still holding above this blue SMA line. Keep riding up until, well, we're about market close, and I would have probably closed a position somewhere around here because as you can see here, the wicks were getting larger than the actual candle. We were starting to show signs of it being oversold, as you can see down here by our RSI, and these are both really two big factors in my opinion when day trading that you just don't want to be in a position at that point. Remember last time, look at right here on the RSI, we became very overbought right here, as you can see here. So we're becoming very overbought right here, as you can see here. And because of that, I would probably exit position somewhere around here, let's say. And again, that's another 9.5% of a return on just this trade alone. In total on the day, we've made about 18% just on these two runs alone. Now, yes, you can't perfect this, so maybe we would have gotten a later entry, but even if you missed the actual perfect entry, if you entered a position right here and then exited up here, that's still 7% of a gain on just this run alone. So obviously, the market was red this day, and it was a perfect time to buy UVXY. So yes, a red day isn't the best, okay? I get it. It's hard to see a straight week of basically just red days and your accounts getting destroyed, your day trades, your swing trades, your long-term investments, it's all hurting you. I get that. But an opportunity like this with UVXY the other day would have been perfect for you to trade off of. And now that you know this, next time that there's a red day in the market, this is the stock to trade, UVXY. Well, hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. And next time the market is red, check out UVXY because there's always trading opportunities somewhere in the market. And this is a perfect opportunity right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe for more content. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, everybody.